this hour, we have just learned retired Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor has died. She was the first woman to serve on the nation's highest court after being appointed by former President Ronald Reagan.
NBC's Chris Clackham takes a look at the incredible legacy she leaves behind.
I will do my best to serve the court and this nation.
Appointed in 1981 by President Ronald Reagan, Sandra Day O'Connor was the first woman to serve on the U.S. Supreme Court, an appointment that was as far-reaching as it was historic.
It opens so many doors to women. The minute I was confirmed and on the court, states across the country started putting more women on than had ever been the case on their Supreme Courts.
Born in 1930 in El Paso, Texas, O'Connor grew up on her family's Arizona ranch. Later, she attended Stanford, where she finished third in her class behind fellow classmate and future Supreme Court Chief Justice William Rehnquist. She became involved in Arizona state politics, serving as majority leader of the state Senate before becoming a judge on the Arizona Court of Appeals. On the Supreme Court, O'Connor, a Republican, was considered a moderate conservative. She often cast the deciding vote, siding at times with conservatives and at other times with the court's liberals. She cast a key swing vote to uphold Roe v. Wade when the court's earlier decision on abortion rights was challenged. She also voted to stop the 2000 Florida recount, the 5-4 decision that helped determine the winner of the presidential election between George W. Bush and Al Gore. In 1988, O'Connor faced a personal health crisis after she was diagnosed with breast cancer, a disease she said that shaped her outlook on life.
Appreciate and treasure each day and try to make it a good day and try to have something good come out of each day, because you don't know how many you'll be given.
O'Connor retired in 2006 to care for her husband, John O'Connor, who was struggling with Alzheimer's, ending 24 years of service on the High Court, proving, she hoped, that race and gender should always be trumped by ability. Chris Clackham, NBC News.